How to add word and letter spacing in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, select the text. Then at the top, you'll find font. Click on font. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on advanced at the top. And then in spacing, increase or decrease as you want. After you have done that, press on enter or press on OK. After you've done that, you will find spacing on your letters. You can also select your text and press Ctrl F. You'll find this kind of screen pop up, which is the navigation. And then in here, click on arrow, click on replace, then space one time, and then at the bottom, replace with space two time and press on replace all, and you're good to go. This is how to add word and letter spacing in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you.